If you forget your password or you have problems logging in to office.com, go to the sign in page and click Cannot Access Your Account. Click Work or School Account, enter your email address as it's your uniform number followed by @rsb.sch.ae, and then put in the code which is shown to you on the screen. So type in the letters and then click Next. You should be sent a message to your registered recovery device. So this will be text, in this case, text to a mobile phone, or you can have a call to your mobile phone. If you chose to use an email address as your password recovery method, then you need to log into your email and you need to check for a link which will reset your password. So you either go to the text message on your mobile phone, you answer a call on your mobile, or you check your backup email account. This will provide you with a link to reset your password, and from there you'll be able to log in and set a password that you can remember.